Assalomu alaykum. Task 2, sample 3. Bugun davom etamiz. Aytib o'tganimdek, qancha ko'p sample o'rgansak, shuncha task 2 osonroq bo'ladi. Har bittasida at least 100 ta so'z yozamiz va bugungi temamiz biznes haqida ekan. Hozir professorda birinchi questionlarini va statementini o'qib beraman. Keyin Jack va Emily degan studentlar bor ekan. Ularni ham o'sha responslarini o'qib berib, keyin har doimgidek o'zimni sample'imni yozib beraman. Paraphrasinglarga va linking wordlarga ahamiyat beramiz. Eng muhimi bu aspektda, bu task 2da o'sha narsalar bo'ladi. Qancha ko'p va qancha yaxshi biz paraphrasingni o'rgansak va linking wordlarni ishlatishni o'rgansak, shuncha osonroq va tezroq task 2larni ham yozamiz. Xo'p. The professor is teaching a class on business. Respond to the post with the professor's question in it and the posts by two other students. You should express and support your opinion. Of course, as usually, we support our statements and add new information to the discussion. You will have 10 minutes to read the question and the student responses and to write your own response. Your response should be at least 100 words in length. O'zi 10 minut beriladi, lekin 10 minutdan kam vaqtda ham tezroq o'sha 100 ta so'zni yozsa bo'ladi. Bu bilamiz qiyin task 2 emas umuman. Va menimcha TOEFLda shu dars ko'rganimizdan keyin biz aniqladik, что task 2 task 1ga qaraganda osonroqligini, chunki task 1da 150 ta so'z bo'ladi esimizda, task 2da esa 100 ta so'zda o'zi yetadi. Va task 1da esimizda audio bilan passage bor, task 2da ular yo'q, faqat o'sha bitta statement bilan, question bilan ikkita opinion. Xo'p, the professor is saying, as I briefly mentioned in the last week, starting a small business involves both risks and rewards. So let's explore this topic a little more. Before we meet again next week, I would like to have your responses to this question. If you were offered a position with a large company and also an opportunity to start your own business, which would you choose to do and why? Xo'p, professorda savoli, sizda opportunity bo'lsa, masalan, o'zingizda biznesingizni ochishni yoki qaysidir bir katta international companyda ishlashni, mana shunaqa dilemma bo'lgan payti, ikkita variant bo'lgan payti, qaysi birini tanlagan bo'lardingiz degan savol berdi. Biznes yaxshimi yoki o'sha large companyda ishlash yaxshiroqmi degan savol. Qiyin savol emas menimcha, chunki o'sha bittasini tanlab tushuntirib bersak bo'ladi. Chunki har bitta optionning o'zini pluslari bor, minuslari bor, buni bilamiz. Va Jack bilan Emily o'sha o'zini opinionini bergan, hozir ularnikini ham o'qib chiqamiz. Xo'p, the Jack is saying, I would definitely prefer employment in a large company because it would provide a regular salary and benefits like health insurance and retirement options. Xo'p, Jack aytdiki bizaga, men large companyda ishlardim. Men uchun bu yaxshiroq variant, chunki regular salary bor. O'sha pul olaman, boshqa benefitlar ham bor, health benefitlar, insurance masalan va retirement option. Retirement bu pensiya degani. O'sha pensiya uchun ham o'sha variantda o'zini pluslari bor deb large companyda ishlardim degan opinion bergan. In the second sentence, and I would have more regular hours. Starting a business would be more than I would want to take on, especially at this stage of my career. Xo'p, va deb addition qo'shdi. Men uchun regular hour yaxshi. Hozirgi vaqtda, hozirgi o'sha at the stage of my career degani, hozirgi yoshimda, hozirgi pozitsiyamda menga o'zimni biznesimni ochish ideyasi uncha yoqmaydi. Menimcha men uchun bu juda ko'p ish bo'lib ketadi degan opinion bergan. Emily, the second person, is saying, I have always been more of a risk taker. So the idea of starting a business appeals to me. Xo'p, Emily aytdiki bizaga, men risk takerman, shu narsa menga yoqadi, menga qiziqroq, shu uchun menimcha men biznes ochsam baxtliroq bo'laman degan sentence bergan. Endi paraphrasing qilsak shunaqa bo'ladi. Appeals to me degani for me is more interesting degani. Once the business was off the ground, it would offer more potential for higher income as well. Ikkinchi sentenceda o'sha biznesda ochib olganimdan keyin, o'sha yo'lga qo'yganimdan keyin menimcha ko'proq pul ishlasam ham bo'ladi degan sentence berganlar. I'm not afraid to work hard and I really like to be able to make my own decisions, which I would be able to do as an owner. Va men ishdan qo'rqmayman va keyinchalik o'sha ko'proq decision qilsam menga to'g'ri keladi degan sentence berganlar as an owner sifatida. Xo'p, endi o'zimni responsimni yozaman. Minimum 100 ta so'z. Ikkita opinion ham juda oson deb o'ylayman, chunki aytib o'tganimdek, biznesda o'zini pluslari ham minuslari ham bo'ladi. Lekin menimcha men depends deb yozaman va ko'proq biznes ochishda minuslarini yozaman deb o'ylayman. Xo'p. Masalan, let's say, in my view, there are several factors that should be considered. Bu deganiki faktorlar ko'p va biza har tomonlama bu situatsiyaga qarab to'g'ri decision choose qilishimiz shart deb yozdim. So there are several factors that should be considered. One is age deb yozamiz. I think taking risks at a younger age is more, let's say, is more rational. Yoshroq bo'lganimizda risk qilganimiz yaxshiroq deb yozdim. One is age. I think taking risks at a younger age is more rational. That is why if a 25-year-old wants to open a business, he or she should definitely try. Okay, so that's one. Secondly, it depends on how much they know about the area let's say the market they work in. Xo'p, birinchisi bu qanchalik yoshligimizni yozdim. Agar yoshroq bo'lsak, masalan 25 yoshda biznes ochish bu zo'r narsa, chunki energiya ko'p. Va masalan o'xshamasa ham keyinchalik boshqa ish topib, o'zini yo'lini topib ketsa bo'ladi deb yozdim bu sentenceda. Secondly, ikkinchi faktorimiz bu qanchalik o'zini bozorini biladi, qanchalik o'zini o'sha marketini biladi deb yozdim. Chunki yaxshi bilsa osonroq bo'ladi biznes ochish, yaxshi bilmasa bu qiyin bo'ladi. Shuning uchun secondly, it depends on how much they know about the market they work in. If the person, let's say if the person who wants to start a business is an expert in his, let's say in their field, their desire, or let's say they should go for the option of opening a company, opening a business, right? However, if they lack in, or let's say if they lack knowledge, they should work for a company instead and gain needed experience. Hop. O'zini sohasini yaxshi bilmasa, o'zini o'sha expertise deb deymiz ingliz tilida, masalan, o'zini experience yetarli bo'lmasa, boshqa kompaniyada ishlasa yaxshi, o'zini biznesini ochmasin. Lekin o'zini experience ko'p bo'lsa, o'zini biznesini ochsa yaxshiroq deb yozib berdim. Let's take a look at the number of words. It's 98, so I will need one more sentence, maybe two more. Let's see what I can do. Let's have a conclusion. To sum up, starting a business is not an easy decision, right? Starting a business is not an easy decision and should be analyzed carefully, considering various factors again, right? There you go. Bu conclusion bo'ldi bizlar uchun. Shu overall degani, to sum up, biznes ochish bu oson narsa emas, oson decision emas. Shu uchun ham to'g'ri analiz qilib, to'g'ri decision qilish kerak deb yozdim. O'sha factor so'zini yana bir marta ishlatib va endi hozir qara olsak 117 ta so'z bo'ldi. So far the shortest response I've written, but it's okay because we need at least 100 words. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. One of them is very simple, this one, but it's okay. And the rest seem more complex. Again, linking words, in my view. One is, secondly, if, however, va to sum up linking word deb hisoblanadi bu situatsiyada. Struktura bor, bu answerda o'zida ham, buni ham to'g'ri analiz qilib, bundan ham yaxshi so'zlarni ham, yaxshi linking wordlarni ham o'rgansa bo'ladi. Bu bizlar uchun 3-samplimiz bo'ldi. Bunisi biznes haqida bo'ldi. Sample yozishda davom etamiz. Aytib o'tganimdek, qancha ko'p sample o'rgansak, shuncha yaxshi. Chunki qaysi tema, qaysi topik bizga tushishini ekzamenda biza oldindan bilib ola olmaymiz. Shuning uchun ham ko'proq o'rganib, to'g'ri analiz qilib, yaxshi samplelardan o'rganamiz. Thank you. Continue watching our lesson.